Funky socks. Let's get funky.
Oh no! Oh no! Funky's in the indoor playground in the jungle. I guess that Funky's with Gumbo, the monkey. Oh no! I need to catch up. I'm not dressed. Oh, I'm already dressed. Lucky me. You know Funky says that. Yes, but anyway, I need to go.
Can I just take the surname? And what's his phone number? This one, I've done the service now. But there's no date on them, so you can just keep.
Hello friends, today we are going to go over the party VIP jungle place house and our monkey, you see. So let's go and look around. It's an amazing place. Come on people, let's go. So, first things first, let's go to the slide, because I love slides. Let's go up and up and up. One. I'm already tired already. Let's go. So, let's go up here. Let's go. Are you following me? Let's go. Let's go up here. Whoa, look at this place. Am I talking to you? This place is amazing. There's a slide. Let's go up the slide. God. Whoop. Let's go through this down here. I love slides. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here he comes. Whee! Oh! My face. that subscribe button and get funky. Sorry?